Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to summarize a web page with AI on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's begin. First we want to go into Samsung Internet Browser, and as you can see I have already prepared the website that we're going to be summarizing using AI, and that is our official HardReset.Info website. As you can see, it's pretty long. And let's say I don't want to read all this text. I can press this AA button in the middle, and then I can press Summarize. And after a few seconds, we have a nice summary of the site that we're currently on. So as you can see, our AI said that HardReset.Info provides tutorials on how to perform hard resets on various devices, including smartphones and tablets from brands like Samsung, Huawei, Apple. And as you can see, this summary is pretty accurate. We can also press this button here in order to make it more detailed, so it will be longer and with more details. As you can see, it's even scrollable. But I'm going to disable this option since I want my summaries to be short and, well, short. Also, we can hit Translate button. If you want to translate to other language, you can easily add other languages if you hit Add Languages, and you can translate it to anything you want. And also we can just copy it to your clipboard. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.